एक बार आप स्क्रीन को देख लेना, आपको पूरा चीज समझ में आता है. Look at the screen once and you will understand everything. I am going to launch the ultimate TOC course on Gate Wallah channel English from 7th of July 6 p.m. Yes, I have joined Physics Wallah. Okay? This is a great news. So I am going to launch the ultimate TOC course. Why is it called the ultimate TOC course? Because I am going to cover it at a very high depth. It is a very comprehensive and exhaustive course. It is going to be for nearly 75 to 80 hours of course, and I will be covering everything. Okay? And then how to prepare for TOC. There are books. One is Ullman book is there, Peter Lin's book is there, but the problem is these books are too complex to understand. So I will tell you not to follow any books. Don't follow any books. My notes is considered as Bible for TOC. Every question in GATE will come from my notes. 99% questions will come from my notes. Sometimes maybe one question will come out of the notes, but that too will be able to answer it. Okay? So this course is going to be very comprehensive and exhaustive course. Okay? No need to read any books. If you are going to start your GATE preparation, TOC is the best subject to prepare for. I am going to teach everything for free on the YouTube in the live session. I will interact with you in the live session, and how the process is, I will give you a Telegram channel. You are going to take the answers. I will give you a question. You are going to write the answer on the paper, take a picture of it, post it on the Telegram channel. I will see your answer and give feedback. It is going to be very, very interactive. It is going to be very, very interactive. And in the Telegram channel, I will provide the entire notes, handwritten notes. I will provide it to you. You don't have to write the notes. And the class notes also, every day I will provide it to you in the Telegram channel. You don't have to write the notes. Just get some popcorn and watch it like a movie and enjoy it. Okay? Just popcorn leke aana, and while eating the popcorn, you can enjoy my classes. My teaching will be like music, and your dance, your mind will be dancing. जिसको डांस नहीं आता है जाके अपना बैस चलाए. अभी तो पार्टी शुरू होने वाला है. अभी तो पार्टी शुरू होने वाला है. Party is going to begin from 7th of July 6 p.m. onwards on Gatewala English channel. Okay? So guys, so guys, if you are in the first year, you will understand the course and you will love it. If you are in the final year, you will understand the course and you will love it. I will assume that you don't know anything in TOC and I will start from the basics. Okay? I will start from the very, 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 very basics. I will make you one promise. If you watch my course, this course will become the favorite course of your lifetime. I'm telling you, this course, I will make it your favorite course. If I don't make it your favorite course, I will leave teaching. Soldiers, your commander is ready. Are you ready? This is RBR 2.0 and welcome to Physics Wallah. Okay? Now I will show you the QR code of the Telegram channel. You scan this QR code. Just I will go out. You scan this QR code and join the Telegram, and I will provide you practice questions. I will provide you notes. I will solve your doubts in Telegram channel, and it will be very, very interactive. Join the Telegram channel, and this is the YouTube channel URL, Gatewala English. Okay, this is the QR code of YouTube channel. Please do subscribe to the channel and wait for me till 7th of July. अभी तो पार्टी शुरू होगा. ठीक है, अभी तो पार्टी शुरू होगा. The party will start. There will be lot of music in the class and your brains will dance. ठीक है, see you there. See you there on 7th of July 6 p.m. Thank you so much. Okay.